a thick green forest. Suddenly, they saw a big brown bear. They were frightened. Tom climbed up a tree, but Jack could not. He had a plan. He laid on the ground. Bear came closer and sniffed, thinking he was dead. He went away. Tom climbed down the tree and asked it, "What if the bear whispered in your ear?" "The bear asked me to keep away from friends like you." A friend in need, friend indeed, thank you.